Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Ngiphethu Makhathini, it's a 4-0 win to Orlando Pirates. This game was too easy for us. Ibone kanjani?
It was very easy and ngithanda ucoach wethu yazi ukuthi uyewanika abanye abafana i-chance because vele we won it from the first leg. So it was very nice and abafana babanika i-chance babonisile ukuthi they deserve to play for Pirates.
Sweet and short. We saw some of the individual performances from the likes of Abu Muremi. What are your thoughts on Muremi?
Yabona Muremi, it shows that singamabhakaniya sometimes thina sithanda ukunika umuntu i-chance. Sifuna ukupheka manje, sifuna ukudla manje. We don't want to cook forever. We want to cook now and dish now. Yeah. But Muremi mfethu ubuyile kakhulu. If you still remember Mbombela, uye waswinela final. Namanje today scored 2 goals and it's very comfortable on the ball. Uyakhombisa ukuthi ukhoza sometimes when he's signing some of the players sometimes we question. Manje siyabona ama result ukuthi Pirates compared to last season, this season we've got it depth. Even if omunye angekho nomunye alimele, this time see right, we are nice tasks too.
Good point. The squad depth is something that we have. And then Master Chef, your thoughts on Master Chef?
Yabona Master Chef bethu umalume, yabona thina le emakhaya simbiza ngomalume. Yabona makaphethe ibhola uyambona ukuthi umalume and into ayenzayo and into engithanda ngayo noma ngashaya istyle akalose ibhola. And uyakhomba ukuthi umalume makaqala ethi Master Chef bethu basibambele na kahle because uyakhomba iPirates ukuthi umdlali mayemthanda iyakhona ukumbamba kahle, iyakhona ukumgada abambambe kanje bembambile. Master Chef player mfethu. Player and a half.
Beautiful one, Pagania. And then Umbuthuma, he had a brace. He almost had a hat-trick. I heard that Ushayi Palo, umbone kanjani Umbuthuma?
Umbuthuma mfethu yabona ukuthi kuzofiwa manje. Uyabona whoever is given a chance ikhombisa ukuthi thina we've got depth. Phela we've got Mabasa uyeshaya net. We've got Makhopa umnandi. We've got Umbuthuma, we still have Scott Ratopana. But I'm happy for Umbuthuma mfethu. Yabona it shows ukuthi management bayawenza ama-analysis wema-players sishatha kakhulu sifuna ukubona ama-result. So Umbuthuma ushaye 2 goals, it shows ukuthi we've got it depth. I will say it again ukuthi even Mabasa noma ngekho but we still have Umbuthuma, we still have option yakamakhopa noRatopana still simnandi Umbuthuma umnandi.
Izopakania siyayithatha le
CAF le uyabona last season ngoba sihlashale ngoma sithi sekusele kancane, last season kusale kancane nje manje sibuya nayo SS2 vele because la eMzansi yitho esikhombisa abantu ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani lezi zinto ezinhle yabo. Namanje sibakhombisile ukuthi mawuthola amakhapa ayi4 uba ne-page yakho ijezi lakho libanjani. Namanje sifuna bakhombisa ukuthi itama zi2 ijezi libanjani. Sitase 2 siyeza. Thank you Bemba.
Thank you Pagania. Go pa Pagania. Go pa.